How to get our seed phrases from the Trust Wallet. Remember, we have created an account on the Trust Wallet, but then we need to know how to get our seed phrases from the Trust Wallet. You must know, because your seed phrases are like the private keys to your Trust Wallet. These seed phrases are peculiar to your wallet address only. They are specific to your wallet address, and if you don't copy them down, if you don't write in a safe environment, don't store them well, at the end of the day, if you misplace, say, your phone gets bad, you cannot use the optional display of, say, I already have a wallet, because if you take that option and you already have a wallet, you are expected to enter these 12 or 24 words, random words that have been generated particularly for your wallet only. So when you create, remember we just created a pin code when we were actually creating our account. But now let's get our seed phrases and write them down in order to avoid losing our phones if something happens to our phones. So you come here, we are on the home page, we are on the dashboard of the Trust Wallet. So the next thing you do is you click on the main wallet, you look up, you are going to see main wallet 1. This is where you click on main wallet 1. Yeah, it opens. You see that I have just one wallet address. Actually, on the Trust Wallet, you can add up to, I think, 15 wallets. If you want to diversify your funds, you don't want to keep all your funds in a single wallet, you can create 15 other wallets under Trust Wallet. You can click here and you add the wallet, click and you add the wallet. You can have up to 10 wallets alone and put your funds, diversify your funds. So you click on this wallet, you click on these 3 dots beside the wallet, these 3 white dots. When you click on it, you are going to see backup. Yeah, Google Drive backup or manual backup. We want to back it up manually so that we can be able to copy our seed phrases down. You take manual. When you take the manual, Trust Wallet is going to give you the conditions for you, the agreement for you to sign. So these secret phrases unlocks your wallet. Yeah, they are actually making you to understand that the secret phrases you are about to copy can be used if by anyone to unlock this wallet. If you don't protect these secret phrases very well, anyone that have access to these secret phrases, like when you hear about crypto hacks, it doesn't mean that the entire blockchain is hacked. No, most often people get access into, they access people's seed phrases. So when they access this your secret phrases, what they do is they download that wallet, they log in through with those your secret phrases, and of course they are going to hack you and withdraw your funds. So these are your keys. You lock, they are the keys that give access to your holdings on the wallet address. So we tick, you click to tick, you click to tick. You are ticking, actually you're agreeing. You agree that Trust Wallet does not have access to these keys. So if your phones, if you misplace your phones, you misplace your phone and you cannot actually have access to your seed phrases, Trust Wallet will never recover the funds. There's no like a customer care service somewhere that will actually you actually go to, and they will look into your wallet and they'll see your seed phrases and give you to have access. No. Remember, this wallet works independently. It's not linked to a central authority where you can actually write them and ask for them to verify and investigate to see your password or your seed phrases. So you tick to say Trust Wallet does not have access to these keys. Don't save these keys in any digital format. Write it on paper and store securely. They have warned us not to write it. Don't save it on the internet. Anything on the internet can be hacked. If you save it on your Google Drive, there are higher chances someone can have access through your email address and hack your Google Drive. Of course, they are going to have access to your seed phrases, and if they do, they are actually going to access your seed phrases, hack your account, and withdraw your funds. So we continue. They have given us a 12 word phrases. These are 12 random words that are peculiar to my wallet address. These 12 words are peculiar to my own wallet only. So I copy all of this down. When I copy all of this down, I write all the 12 down like they are. The first should be the first, and it should start with a small letter. You don't capitalize. If you capitalize, if you add a full stop where it's not supposed to be, if you space where there's not supposed to be a space, it's going to show an error, because most often people can actually write this down effectively. When they enter into another phone, they download the wallet and they enter into another phone, they might end up not still having access to that wallet because of the way they input these phrases. You are not supposed to start with a capital letter. Look at the first one started with a small letter, small e. Write it down from 1 to 12 orderly like they are given. If I have access to this and it's yours, I can input this in my phone and I will access your wallet. I will withdraw your funds. There's no way somebody can guess 12 random words like this correctly. So I copy it down. Assuming I've copied all of this down, I'm going to continue. I take continue. Now they want us to verify. They're asking for that I should select the first word. What is the first word? The first word is eagle. From what I've written down, I see eagle. They say I should select the fourth word. The fourth word is tube. They should select the seventh word. The seventh word is expand. And they say I should select the 10th word. The 10th word is fish. So I've selected. This is to confirm that you have actually written down these phrases. This is a procedure that makes sure, I want to make sure that you have actually copied those phrases down. You have written them down on a piece of a paper. Of course, you can see me with my pen. I'm writing it down. Now I confirmed. You can see the manual backing now is active. It's been ticked as active. So this is how to secure your seed phrases. This is how to get your seed phrases from the Trust Wallet. When you get your seed phrases from the Trust Wallet, the next thing to do is you need to write them down. When you write them down in orderly, you verify. You do this little exercise, you verify. And now, if I misplace my phone and I have this my seed phrases that I have written them down. If I misplace my phone and I have them down that I've written them down from 1 to 12, I will actually download another Trust Wallet into another phone and I will input this word, this 12 words, and my funds would be displayed into the other phone. So this is a very good procedure that you should take into consideration. Remember, I say you come to the dashboard. When you come to the dashboard, you click on the wallet, the main wallet one. Click. If you have like 10 wallet, you choose the wallet you want to back up. You click on the wallet. You click on the 3 white dots. Then you see manual and the Google Drive backup. You choose the manual backup. You tick the agreement. Then you are shown your phrases. There are 12 words, 12 random words, peculiar to your wallet only. No two exact combination of what exists. Like the different wallet cannot have the same combination of words. No. This combination of what you have seen are peculiar to my wallet only. And of course, I have displayed it because I am actually doing an exercise. You cannot display yours. This is for demonstration purposes. Of course, someone is actually going to copy from my video. They're going to copy these words from my video as they have been displayed on my screen. They are going to copy it and they will try to access this wallet. They are going to try to withdraw funds from this wallet. But then, this is not the wallet I am going to be using to do giveaway. I have a trust wallet with my funds inside, of course. But this one is for teaching purposes, for you to see how these things are actually done. And you are supposed to protect these seed phrases, make duplicate of it, make multiple copies of it written, and keep them safe in safe places. Don't store them on the internet, because anything on the internet is hackable. If you store these stuffs on the internet, there are higher chances that you can be hacked. There are higher chances that they can hack you. So we have seen, when you are done, you will see that it will be displayed as active. Now your seed phrases are secured in your hands. Should in case you misplace your phone, you can actually import the seed phrases into a new phone. This is a security measure that is very important. You should not joke with your seed phrases. Thank you.